When you speak, angel, sing from above. Everyday word seems turning into love song. You press me to your world with roses bloom. When you speak, angel, sing from above. Everyday word seems.
Let's look at the display. See the back side. Alright, this is the pen holder. This brand new Pro Pen 2. The HDMI connector, HDMI to HDMI, and USB to Type-C, and this is Type-C to Type-C, and this is the power source, power adapter, and looks what we have here. We have the pen holder, and we have got the various nibs. Alright, and we got some different cleaning cloth, this microfiber, and power adapter. So this time we have got the 24 amps connector. So let's see, we have 24 amps. That's all. Yo, so we are all set with a 4K display. Let's write the first letter. Alright, we are set with the Wacom Cintiq Pro, and I've written the first letter. Yeah, it's cool with 4K display, anti-glare. So we have different lights set on the ceilings, but you can see there are no light almost.
Let's draw something. Yeah.